Welcome. In today's video, we are going to show you exactly how to configure and use preparation displays, followed by a live demo using Odoo 19.
Previously, enabling restaurant preparation displays required a digging through the system. But in Odoo 19, this functionality is now built right into the workflow. Let's navigate directly to the preparation screen page. Click Point of Sale, Orders, Preparation Display. This is the screen where you can find all displays you create. Let's open Kitchen Display. Here you can configure your current display, change the name, select different points of sale module, and create or modify stages. You can create as many stages as you can, simply define the name, provide the color of your choice, and set alert type.
Alex, what is alert time in stages and what we can use for?
Alert time is an indicator of expected processing time for each stage. It's a great way to track the time from food order to the time order has been completed. If an order isn't moved by then, the team knows they are behind. I think it's time to see how the staff at your restaurant will see the preparation display. On the left, the sidebar provides a perfect summary, showing your active timers, stage presets, and specific food items at a glance. If you want to view a current request, just click Alt-Tab. Each order card displays essential details: the guest count, the elapsed time since the order was placed, and the dining time. When the kitchen is ready to start, simply click the card. This instantly moves the order to the next stage, keeping everyone in the loop in real time. To keep track of individual progress, simply tap an item on the card to cross it off. Once the entire order is cooked and ready, click the card again to move it to a completed section.
Now that you've seen how preparation displays work in Odoo 19, you're ready to streamline your kitchen workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other Odoo guides.